Yes, welcome back here to Authentic Collectables headquarters. There's been a bit of water under the bridge. Recently we've had the 2025 Diecast Model Expo where these cars are actually on display. So while this is an unboxing, it's not exactly the first time we've seen these cars. So it's a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Anyway, let's jump in, shall we? Right, so there you go. 2 sprint cars, 2 supercars. Now, as I said before, these were actually on display at the Diecast Model Expo, and that's only purely by the grace of God. We managed to get the boxes just before we were about to send off the pallets to Victoria. So we chucked them on without really knowing what we were going to get. And so the ones we were on display, we hadn't even had a chance to look at before we actually started to set up the expo. So this, while it's not exactly a real unboxing in terms of us seeing it for the first time, we have seen it before. This is more for you who didn't actually get down to the Diecast Model Expo, either through geographical issues or whatever the reason was, and you still want to have a look at the cars. This is pretty much what we're going to do here. So let's jump in and have a look at the sprint cars first. Okay, first cab off the rank is the 2025 JPM sprint car, as driven by the man himself, Jason Pryde. This is basically the second in a series we've done with Pryde. This one obviously has a few different changes between the 2023-24 series and the 24-25 series. It's having a lot more carbon fibre all over it. A few extra bits and pieces, including a great big authentic sticker on top of the wing, which I'm quite happy about. As always, the JPM cars, that bright green just pops. It's astoundingly bright. Very cool car to have. If you're a bit of a fan of JPM, and he's into all sorts of stuff at the moment, he's doing TO2 as well. Yeah, grab one of these while you can. Onwards. Now, Ben tells me that the camera's not actually doing this justice because the fluoro on this thing is so fluoro, it feels like it should be glow in the dark. So this is the 2024 sprint car as driven by Jock Goodyer in the High Limit International in Perth. Definitely a bright car. Mixture of black and white stands out like Great Danes knackers. Now, if you're a bit of a fan of Jock, and he is going really well at the moment, you definitely want to grab one of these, and we will be doing more Jock's cars in the future, so keep an eye out for that. But for now, get it. Okay, here we have the long-awaited 50th anniversary of Mobil cars from Walkinshaw Andretti United, as raced by Woody and Mozzie at the Sydney SuperNight. Definitely 2 cool cars. Matter of fact, Chaz actually had a clean sweep on that weekend, so that's kind of an important car. This also marks the change in colours from white to black. Definitely makes the cars look a whole lot cooler. Now, the funny thing about these was, when we actually went to the Diecast Expo, we got one of our friends of the channel, Dave at SupercarsTorque, to actually do the unboxing live there. So if you want to check out his unboxing, we'll put a link down in the description. In the meantime, these 2 cars, absolutely killer, as they always are from Walkinshaw. Yeah, grab them while you can. Right, so there you have it. That's the 1/18 scale cars we've got coming down in the next container. We will be doing another video like this on the 43rd stuff that's also in that container at a later date, once I get my head square again. In the meantime, if you did actually come down to this Diecast Model Expo and said g'day to us, good on you. It means a lot for us to know that people are actually watching this stuff and still interested in our cars, so thank you very much for that. And as always, like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notifications for all the other stuff that's going on this channel. Till the next one, take it easy.